What would you do if you saw something struggling in the water and realized it was a tiny hedgehog fighting for its life? This little hedgehog was swept into the water during a heavy rain and couldn't escape on his own. But kind people noticed him and pulled him out before it was too late. They took him home. He was scared, weak, and barely touched his food, though he eventually drank some warm milk. His entire body was covered in ticks, so the girl rushed him to a vet. There were so many parasites that the doctor spent a long time removing them while making sure the hedgehog stayed safe. Once he was finally clean, the girl brought him home to recover. She washed him gently, dried him, and discovered he absolutely loved warm baths. She fed him well and cared for him every day. The hedgehog quickly realized he was safe. He lived like in paradise and seemed truly grateful to the people who not only saved his life, but also gave him a chance at a happy one. Why do you think he loved taking a bath so much?